Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, a little while back I did a video on this 511 UCR bag, right? Urban Casualty Response. It's also called an active shooter bag. You can basically call it whatever you want. Anyway, when I did that review, I got comments asking me whether I could do a kind of loadout, right? So what's in the bag? And yeah, sure, why not? Let's do that, okay? Now, before we dive in, kind of a disclaimer here. First of all, whatever you have in your bag, if you're not qualified and authorized to use it, don't carry it, right? I hear stories from people saying, well, yeah, you know, maybe there's somebody on scene that knows how to use it. Well, that's up to you, but make sure you don't use anything you don't know how to use, right? I mean, lives are at stake here, okay? Other than that, I have a little bit more in this bag than I would have for just an active shooter scenario, simply because there's space in the bag, and yeah, I want to have it with me, right? So that said, let's dive in here. Okay, so let's start with the zipper on the back. And that is where I typically have my gloves, right? Now, I'm going to put a link below to everything that I can find that I have in this bag, right? These are actually 511 gloves. Of course, I'm carrying personal protection gloves for blood and whatnot. These are more for a scenario where I need to protect my hands if I need to I don't know, move a patient, get stuff out of the way, barbed wire, whatever that may be, all right? So I always carry these with me, and I usually have them in this zipper pocket on the back right here. Okay, now there's another pocket on top here, and I'm doing everything in reverse, so bear with me, right? And here I have gloves, 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 and gloves, right? Lots of gloves. Personal protection, very important. Okay. All right, what about the main zipper in the front here? Well, we got one here first, and that's how you open this up. So we're gonna flip it like this, and we're gonna open that up, right? So here I have a couple of hot, cold packs, right? I didn't open them yet. And yeah, I mean, in this state, you can't really use them, right? But if I'm stationed somewhere, I would make sure these would be pre-cooled, if you will, so I can actually use them, right? So I just store them in here because then I know where they are. Two of them. Okay. So what else? And there's a lot in here, okay? I have chest seals in here, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining what everything is. Chest seals, I got 4 of them, 5 even, right? This is a SpO2 meter, BP meter, you know what, the thing you stick on the finger, right? That right there. Then I have some alcohol cleaning pads. I have combat gauze if I need to pack a wound. I have a roll of plastic bags. This is elastic bandage, a whole bunch of bandage, basically, right? A pocket mask for CPR, very important. An ear thermometer. What else do I got here? A lot more bandages in different types. And yeah, like I said, this is the thing you probably wouldn't have in the bag for an active shooter scenario. But hey, why not? I got space, right? A bunch of Q-tips going on here. A whole bunch of bandage in different types. You can never have enough bandage with you. I got some silver blankets, or whatever you call them in your country, right? They're, let's see, emergency rescue blanket. That's apparently the official name. The gold silver ones, you know about that, right? A lighter, maybe an odd choice to put in here. More of these blankets. More bandage. Okay. Halo chest seals. There we go. This is a whole assortment of different sizes of pads and dressing and whatnot. Sterile eye pads, gauze swabs for cleaning wounds, wound dressing, loads and loads and loads of stuff. Okay. I have here an emergency light, right? If I'm operating in the dark and I need to make sure that I'm seen, I can turn this on and it will be on my arm. A red marker, Sharpie. A tick removal thingy. I don't know what it's called. A little gripper, right? Got some disinfectant. More band-aids. Then we'll move to the front here. These are additional protective cups for the ear thermometer, right? So you can use it every time. Let's go to the front here. I got an Israeli dressing here. I got a test light, you know, for looking at whether the patient's eyes, whether the pupils are dilated or not, right? There you go. My shears. There you go. Another Sharpie. Just a simple suction device, right? In case I need to do that. Here's another one. I have a number of different sizes tweezers. Of course, a tourniquet. A decompression needle for pneumothorax. More combat gauze for wound packing. And again, more combat gauze, wound packing. Here's another little light source. Then I have a whole series of OPAs to secure the airway through the mouth in different sizes, right? Let's see, is that all that's in here? Yep. All OPAs. And one is taken off on me. Let's see if there's something in the back here. No, not at this point. Then we got this bag and this bag. It's a velcroed in here, so very, very cool. What's going on here? An emergency whistle. I have these guys. Whole bunch of small stuff. Triangle cloth, not used that much anymore, but I still have it with me. Tape, whole loads of tape. More tape, more tape. You can never have enough tape, right? Then we got a whole bunch of gauze swabs here. Some sterile wound cleaning wipes. Burn gel. We got the little finger bandage thingies. No idea what they're called. More burn gel. There we go. Another tick removal little card here. There you go. So that's all emptied out. Let's see. I'm pretty sure there's more. And there is in the back here. Got the little barf baggies. We got this guy, the SAM Splint. Then I have a whole set of NPAs to secure the airway through the nose in different sizes. Going from quite large to quite small, as you can see. And I have a notepad that will allow me to write in it when it's raining, so it's waterproof. And I think we're getting closer to the end here. Yep, I think that's all of it. So as you can see, tons and tons of stuff going on here, and yeah, you guys wanted to know what's in the bag. Well, here you have it. This is in the bag, okay? I'm gonna put a complete list on the bottom of the video, so if you want to get any of this stuff, you can do so. They're gonna be Amazon links. It's gonna be at no extra expense to you, but by using them, you will support the channel, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you got any request videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.